Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the voice chat settings in the Outlast Trials. Let's begin by opening the settings menu. From there, navigate to audio. Here, under voice chat, you can enable or disable the voice chat. You can change the voice activation from push to talk to push to mute to open microphone. I will leave it as push to talk. You can change the input device from default systems device, default communication, or specific capture device. I will set it to default system device. You can change the voice chat volume. I will set it to, 20%. And you can change the microphone volume. You can also change those values manually. I'll set it to, 50. Sounds good. And after that, there's only one more thing that you can change. It's automatic voice detection setting. You can leave it turned on or off. After you made the changes, simply hit apply. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.